Have you ever wondered how airplane landing gears work? Today, let's unlock this engineering secret. Landing gear is the set of wheels and strong metal struts that support an aircraft during takeoff, landing, and while on the ground. Most airplanes use a tricycle gear system, two main gears under the wings and a nose gear at the front for perfect balance. But how do these heavy wheels retract after takeoff? The secret lies in powerful hydraulic systems. When the plane takes off, hydraulic actuators pull the landing gear upwards smoothly into compartments inside the fuselage. These actuators use high-pressure hydraulic fluid to move the landing gear quickly and safely. Once retracted, mechanical uplocks hold the landing gear firmly in place so it doesn't move during flight. During landing, the pilot lowers the gears using cockpit controls connected to hydraulic valves. The landing gear extends out, and down locks secure it firmly to handle the force of landing. Landing gears also have strong shock absorbers called oleostruts to absorb the impact smoothly. Oleostruts use compressed air and hydraulic fluid together to cushion the plane's heavy weight efficiently. Modern landing gears are designed to handle thousands of takeoffs and landings without failure or damage. They're checked regularly by engineers to keep passengers safe on every single flight. Isn't it amazing how these hidden systems work silently under the plane to keep us safe? The next time you fly, remember this landing gear is a true engineering miracle. If you found this video interesting, then don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing airplane secrets and engineering facts.